Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You must have an account with admin-level control or the parent account. Once done, open the browser or device settings where Safe Search is enforced. Make sure to sign into the correct profile. If multiple profiles exist, pick the one that controls filters. You will need access to network-level settings only if device options are locked. This first step prevents access issues later and saves time when you change filtering policies. Next, navigate to the specific search engine or app settings and locate the Safe Search or Content Filter option. For example, Google Search Settings or YouTube Restricted Mode. You toggle Safe Search off or pick a lower restriction level. If the option is gray or enforced, check the account family or school settings and then modify those controls. Also, inspect router-level DNS or third-party parental control apps. Once you change them, force close and reopen the browser. To complete the process, verify changes by doing an incognito search and rebooting the device. This clears cached filter behavior. If Safe Search remains on, clear browser cache and cookies, sign out, then sign back in to reapply preferences. If still blocked, inspect DNS settings or contact the ISP. Some networks enforce filters. One key troubleshooting tip: check for parental control apps or enterprise profiles on the device and remove or reconfigure them, because they commonly override user-level Safe Search settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.